Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to create curved text up and down in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Then we write something in this document. Then select the text, click and drag on our mouse, then go to the insert menu, then click word art drop down menu and choose any word art. Then click the word art text and go to the format menu, then click text effect and choose transform. Then apply this curved text up and down. Here this curve up and we copy this text, then paste inside, then apply this text down. Here this curve down. Now we can see here we create curved text up and down very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.